I remembered only at the end of this that this was my favorite preset, so I figured that yeah, we'd just close on this one because I'm really happy with this one.
Nice.
I think this sound, or at least this patch, uses three different libraries, and it feels like there is something gathering in the air and then discharging, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was made with some material from Metamorphosis, which is just kind of a yeah concussion hits, um, polarity, and more Metamorphosis, and the tail is mostly just polarity, if I remember correctly.